Hello, my name is Nick Carroll, and I have a little bit of good news to report. So it turns out my son, Chris, my oldest son, actually had a power supply he was willing to trade with me in order for me to complete my build. As it turns out, the power supply that I ordered as a part of this combo deal will fit into his case perfectly and still provide him all the power that he needs because he has a very low power build. And this power supply here I will now use to complete my build. One of the things I had to sacrifice in order to do this was I gave him my old one of my 120 millimeter fans. He's going to use that in his case to replace one that went bad on his. So I'm going to be one fan short in this build. So instead of having a total of 3 fans, 1 blowing in and 2 blowing out, actually the way it's configured by default is 2 blowing in and 1 blowing out. I have 1 blowing in the front and then 1 blowing air out the back, which that's what this one is. Cool thing about this one is, in order to do all this, is this one has a Molex connector, so this eliminates the issue where there's only one 3-pin slot on the motherboard. So I won't bore you with any more details, but this is going to work out great for me. This is actually rated a little bit higher, which will come in handy if I decide to order a really high-end video card. But as it stands, this is a bit overkill for this current build since I'm only running an APU with a TDP of 95 watts. So, okay, now I've got the power supply installed, and the fan that was formerly here is moved into my son's PC to replace his defective fan. It basically died, so I gave him mine, no big deal. And then the fan that was on the door of this case is now back there. So they're all 120 millimeter fans, are all interchangeable. There's a front fan here that's, of course, routing air this way. And then this fan here routes out that way. This power supply has the fan at the bottom, so it pulls pulls air from underneath through the fan and out. So there's a decent bit of airflow in here, and there's not even a video card in here at this moment. I went ahead and plugged up everything else. All that's left is to plug up the hard drive and the DVD writer, and then I can load the OS and then do the updates and then so on and so forth. So check this out. Red LED in the front, green LED in the back. I can't complain. Looks like this is going to go through despite the hiccups. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.